Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. This week I've been looking at accessibility and how 3D printing can really help people who might have issues physically basically interacting with the world. And I work at a local bar when I'm not doing this just to, fill in the time and get myself out and about so I actually speak to people. And I've had a few regulars telling me basically that as you get older, it's harder to basically open drinks cans and beer cans. And yeah, if you've got things like rheumatism or arthritis, actually getting a can open can be quite difficult. I mean, because the amount of pounds per square inch it takes to actually open a modern ring pull is quite difficult for some people. So I thought, hey, let's see if we can find something that 3D printing can do with this. So I had a dig around on the usual sites, Thingiverse, Cults, and all the other wonderful ones. And I found really good solutions for this. And I've printed these off, and instead of just basically, printing them off and having it saying that's great, I've actually taken them into the bar and given them a try. So, let's get on and have a look at these wonderful 3D printed solutions for quite a difficult task for some people, which we take for granted. Before we do, however, thanks to everyone who liked and subscribed. Loads more of you. If you haven't liked and subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Grab your ring pull it back, drag it down, and pop open the subscribe button and ring the bell while you're there so you never miss an upload. Also, give me a like. It's just nice. Right, let's get on and print ourselves some really useful can opening devices for making soda cans and beer cans a bit easier to open for people who don't find that kind of thing easy. Let's get on with this and see what happens. The first file we're going to test is Soda Can Opener. A Thingiverse user called Ryan Cordes created this one, and it looks quite good. Let's see it in action. It fits on, pops, and yeah, does its job. But let's have a look at that in slow motion, see how it actually goes. So actually getting it in there was a bit of an issue, but once it was in, twisted it, and yeah, needed to kind of reload it a bit further in, maybe make a deeper hole next time. But yeah, it pops in, and then once it's fully flat, you can then fold it back. Next file is Rocket Tab Opener by a Thingiverse user called C4 Consultant. Let's have a look and see how this goes. Well, this just slips straight under the tab. You get the tab, just tap it under the little thing there. It doesn't grip as much as I'd like to. It tends to slip out, so I don't know whether or not it needs to be further back. But let's have a look at that in slow motion, see how that goes. So yeah, it goes in, links in. That little slip there is annoying, but I think if I made it slightly longer, I think that would work a lot better. This next file, simply called Can Opener by Emma Kinner, is absolutely great. I love it. It's a comfortable device to hold. It feels like a proper professional piece of equipment. Just gets straight underneath the can, uses that nice little curve to it to just go underneath the ring pull and just pulls it straight up. Let's have a quick look in slow motion. See, it just gets underneath the ring pull, forces it up, and just uses it to slide that nice surface on the arch there. Just gets it up there, it hooks underneath the ring pull, and then you just give it a quick push because it's all nice and smooth. So it just slides across the rim of the can, pops it open. Easy peasy, not too much force was required there, which is pretty much what we need with this. We need not a lot of force and not too much dexterity required to actually get this open. Just slide it under there, clip it forward, and then when you're done with that, you can just pop it straight back out again. And then you use the side of it just on the front of the can to just pull the ring pull back down. and you're good. Your can is open with minimal force and minimal effort. Very, very nice. Okay, with those tests in the field, I'm going to put them in order of the ones which I like the best. I think basically the most functional and basically just do the job as well as they can. Number 3, we have got the pull push. This is by this maker right here, and it's a really nicely designed thing. I mean, you put it on, you give it a pull, and it opens up and gives it a nice bit of leverage. Thing is though, I think maybe making it a little bit longer maybe, and making it not quite so thin because it's a little bit... I printed this at 100% and it's still a bit bendy. Gave it to a couple of my customers to give it a try, and yeah, this was probably the one that they liked but had found the least useful. So yeah, I'm going to give this a good 3 out of 5. It's functional, but a bit of extra work might be needed on it. Next, we've got this more robust print. It's nice and chunky by this maker right here. It's a really, really good print. It's chunky, it's got a bit more leverage to it. It's got 2 ends here, which is quite cool. One's slightly larger than the other, so basically it's good for 2 different kinds of cans. Just pop it in, pop it up, and it just opens it up. And yeah, I like that one very much. It's a very good answer to this problem. And yeah, a few of the guys might give us a try, and they like this one. And yeah, it's good because it can sort of fit in your pocket. But it's a chunky piece of printing. I like it. It does its job well. Definitely 4 out of 5 stars. And finally, my favourite. This one. And yeah, not only my favourite, a few other people have given this a try, and my mate Tom at the bar, basically, he tried it out as well, and he's got some issues with his fingers, and yeah, he popped it under, popped it up, bent it forward, and it really, really does work. I like it because it doesn't go over the ring pull, it goes under the ring pull, so it doesn't matter what size ring pull it is or what make or manufacture. This thing just... It's got a nice little hook at the end here and uses leverage and this nice smooth arch here. Just go over the can and pop open the ring pull no matter what size or angle you do it at. So if you've got to hold one hand there and pop it on the side, you can. It's good. Also, it pops it open and then you can fold it back afterwards. This one I found the most functional, and yeah, it's got a lovely handle to it. Even got a hole here so you can put it on a bit of string or put it on a key ring. Very, very cool. And yeah, this is definitely the most popular. In fact, I printed out one for a couple of the guys there and they've taken those home. And yeah, very much like this. Thank you to the designer right here. Once again, if you print this out and use it yourself, make sure you leave them a like and a make, just to say that, you know, you've liked his stuff and that basically you're impressed by it. Because I know I am. It's nice. It's got this lovely hole there you just put your finger through as well. So if you need to grip onto it, you can, or you can hold it like that. Very, very good. And yeah, I've had a few of the guys who basically had issues with ring pulls trying this, and they all liked it. I haven't put videos of them opening. I put videos of these tools being used, but I haven't used them in the videos because they don't want to be on camera, and I don't blame them. Also, it's at a bar I work at, so I don't want you guys knowing where I work. So yeah, these are all great little solutions to a very difficult problem that some people wouldn't think about. This is great because it just pulls over and it gives you a little bit of a, you can pull it back or pull it forward. And yeah, it's got uses, and I imagine if some people don't like these will be very useful because they're very, very small. Maybe pop a hole in the top of it and you can turn it into a key ring. This one's great because it gives you leverage, it gives you 2 different size options. Pop it on, just pop, pop. Absolutely great, and yeah, that works very, very nicely. Functional, aesthetically it's pleasing, and it just feels nice in your hand as well. Nice sort of ergonomic, tactile feel to it. However, this one here, I absolutely adore. It just feels like a lovely piece of equipment you can keep with you at all times. It's lightweight, it's tough, it's got a nice bend to it, it does leverage, and also it's got a nice arch to it, so it just pops things open. And yeah, this one here is definitely 5 out of 5. Absolutely love this. And yeah, thank you so much to the guys who created these wonderful files. Links in the description below for all 3 of them. If you use them and you try them, let me know, because I had never realised this was actually a problem until one of the guys told me, just in passing, God, new cans are a pain to get open. Which is nice, because I like helping. So yes, thank you very much for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy and safe. Keep ring pulling.